Hello, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the second session in these series of webinars for students. Uh, WIRC has, taken this initiative to, initiate learning sessions and training sessions rather for students. Yesterday we had a fantastic session on data mining and data analysis, and it was well received. The feedback was amazing. So that gives us more confidence, and that gives us a lot of support to do more and more such events for the students. I welcome all of you, all the students and members who have attended today. Um, I would definitely look up to this session because this is something that during lockdown, how can we best use the technology and use Tally, which is our daily accounting software that we all rely on, to in order to ensure that we work from home, we also delegate our tasks, and also ensure the data is secured. Today we have a fantastic speaker, C. Vandana Dodia, with us. She expertises in this operations of Tally and use of technology. She's gonna speak and she's gonna tell about some really cool uh, things that you could do with Tally and your licenses, and how can you utilize them very effectively. So I we have with us Jayesh Kala, Regional Council member, the immediate past Vikasa chairman. I would request Jayesh Bhai to please welcome with his opening remarks.
Hello everybody, thank you Arpit and all my dear students. Uh, this is the right time available for all of us to refresh our memories, refresh the value addition which can be done during this time. And remember friends, you have to understand that the time which is there is something which can be utilized in a much positive way, and WRC always and Vikasa always has thought about the well-being and value addition of the students, and accordingly the series of webinar has been planned. Yesterday Arpit has already told about the data mining, which was well received by each and every student. Today we have amazing session on Tally, which is being taken by one of the eminent personality, Vandana Dodia. She is really a expert in Tally. And tomorrow also we have continuous programs we have. So I request all of you to take benefit of this webinar and use this lockdown period for the enhancement of your skills and technique. Thank you everybody. Arpit, you can continue the session. Hello Arpit.
का थोड़ा इशू आ रहा है, आपको कंटिन्यू चलेगा नेटवर्क इशू.
Support organizing these webinars. I also recognize um,
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Vedika Bajaj. I'm the Secretary of Vikasa, and I welcome you all on behalf of Vikasa, WIRC, I welcome all the RCMs, and I'm really grateful to WIRC and the speakers to take this opportunity of this lockdown and give the best knowledge to the students and always thinking about the students. I take immense pleasure in introducing CA Vandana Dodia, the speaker for today. She's a qualified chartered accountant. She has done her post qualification course in information system audit. She is also a graduate and an LLB. She has a total work experience of 32 years, and she gives a lot of training and on-site and off-site training for GST implementation and Tally. She is a member of All India Federation of Tax Practitioners, Bombay Chartered Accountant Society, and many more. She has done her social contributions in International Fellowship of Rotarian Musician for Rotary Club of Borivali. She has been a convener of Borivali Study Circle. So I welcome you, ma'am, and I give the speaker to you now. And thank you so much for taking this session. Let's continue.
Thank you, Vedika. Thank you for this brief introduction about the faculty. Before we can start, I'll request all the participants who don't have Tally on their systems can download Tally from the screen that you can see, tallysolutions.com. We have 30-day free trial available. So you can download this, and as the speaker gets ready to talk about her session today, and we advance in, you can really implement the practical stuff that she's actually asking you to do on your desktops.
Yeah, Arpit, thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, madam, please go ahead.
Yeah, first of all, good afternoon to everyone who is attending this webinar rather. And thank you, WRC. Special mention to Arpit that he's taking lots of pain and making everybody update their knowledge as well as fight the corona with the help of our work from home techniques. We are blessed that we are in that profession where we are absolutely can work with technology. So we have to upgrade ourselves, and we believe that Tally is a accounting software till today, but today we will also learn how one can do audit using Tally, how one can use Tally remotely and keep abreast themselves. We must thank Tally Solutions also that during this corona time they have also given what you can say support by offering you 30 days free license, because some of you may not have license as of now in your laptop because server is lying at office, you can't go to office. So there are ways and means how a license can be ported. So first of all, as Arpit requested you all, I believe that you all have Tally downloaded in your system. All of us are aware with the screen. All of us have this screen. Generally, we are aware of viewing this screen where select company login as remote user comes. Most of us have read this login as remote user, but never ever thought. All of us also know that there is a serial number over here. This is single user license. We as a what you can say, as a chartered accountant, our ICI also capacity building committee has taken a tie-up, and again once again Tally tie-up was that we will get multi-user license at 80% discounted price up to 31st March, but due to corona they've also extended that scheme up to 30th of April. So my humble request is that okay, today as a auditor, if you want to take advantage as a chartered accountant in practice, they only offer chartered accountant in practice the Tally auditor license, multi-user license with 10,800 plus GST, and I must appreciate that we must take advantage of it. As of now, we come back to our initial understanding that right now I have license loaded in my server. I am sitting at my home. I have access to my data. For example, some people have that virtual private network. So license is lying in the system, but data is also lying in the system. So मुझे मेरे laptop पे या I want to move that license to my particular laptop. How I can bring that license to my screen? That is first of all we should be able to understand. So one can surrender that पहले क्या था कि you have to surrender the process. एक था surrender करना पड़ता था license. FTL में जाके licensing में आपको सरेंडर लाइसेंस करना पड़ता था। तो उसकी जगह पे अभी ऐसा ऑप्शन दिया गया कि बीच में कंप्लेंट आ रही थी कि मेरा हार्ड डिस्क क्रैश हो गया, तो मुझे ये सरेंडर का प्रोसेस करने को भी नहीं मिला, तो मेरा लाइसेंस मुझे कैसे वापस मिलेगा? सो देन पीपल वर टेलिंग दैट कॉन्फ़िगर लाइसेंस, आपके पास ऑलरेडी कोई लाइसेंस है जिसका आपके पास पासवर्ड होना चाहिए, that is very important. So how one can reset the password, that is the first process all of us know. When we go for a licensing, this is the screen we get, TallyNet ID. Okay, one second, huh? just a second.
Yes, Vandana madam, we have set up how can we demonstrate the licensing. You can please unmute yourself.
Yeah, I just wanted to unmute,
Perfect.
but just
I got your call
wanted
and
to take
I got that technical glitch was there. So
a
now we are all okay. We
हाँ,
are back on the screen. Yes.
no problem. I just instructed my, you are about to surrender your license, because I am surrendering my individual license, which is lying in my laptop, to show them कि मेरा जो auditor version license है, it is lying in my server, how I can bring that license in my laptop. So the process. So this laptop was having this license, so that I am surrendering. So license surrendered successfully. Okay. So now I am in educational mode. So most of you who have right now downloaded from the that tellysolutions.com, will have this screen, you know. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, madam, you are audible. Please go ahead.
I'm so sorry, because मुझे ना वो कोई feedback नहीं आता है, तो थोड़ा सा लग रहा था कि
No,
मैं
don't worry.
सुनाई दे
In a
रही हूँ
webinar,
तो
you won't get a
okay.
feedback. No, you can please continue.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Chalo. So all of you are aware that this is the screen we generally see when we are in a educational mode. So now I want to get a license, right? Reactivate your existing license. Now I will go with my audit license, that is attached with my another email address. So if I don't remember the password, then what I'll do, Acha. So now this is what the message I will get: unable to reactivate your license. Your license is already active on the computer, Dodia PC. Do you want to surrender? Now, why this I have shown you? Those of you cannot go to the office and license is lying in your server machine or in your machine of your computer lying at your office, but you want to port that license to your laptop so that you can at least start working something on the data last backup which you had with you, correct? So what I will do you want to surrender and activate? I will say yes.
So people who are interested in doing this may please keep noting this down. If you're not following it
Yes.
on your Tally, you
Yes.
can please note it down. These are the steps to
Yeah.
surrender the license. Since you are here taking the lead on behalf of your firm or of behalf of your principal, you can also inform him this is what they can do, because this session is only for this is exclusively a student's webinar. I don't know if your principal is there. You may then take it on you to update your principal as to how can this be done effectively, and make sure that if there are any glitches or any support that you need, you may reach out to any of us or Vandana madam herself, and we'll be happy to guide you also. So please make sure that you are noting these things down, and then you can practice it on your own if you're not able to do it right now while you're speaking.
Thank you, Arpit. So this is the challenge of technology. Internet should be tri-band, should be perfectly working. And this is the initial. So first time वो उसको surrender करने में थोड़ी तकलीफ हो रही है, but the license will then come to my laptop, and that will be auditor license, multi-user license. Now this is the screen you will get. Congratulations, your license is successfully reactivated. So now all of you can just observe here. See, the license was first VMP Infotech. Now it has come to VBDNC here. Also, there is something called auditor version. So basically, we being chartered accountant and we being nominated as auditor of the company, we will be getting this license, and it is a multi-user license. So I will press enter to continue. Now we will want कि लाइसेंस हमारे लैपटॉप में आ गया, लाइक प्रिंसिपल के लैपटॉप में आ गया. नाउ he wants to delegate the license to his article clerk sitting at home. Say 1 plus 10, we can authorize 10 more people to work from home using their email address. So how the process will start? So first of all, you go to control center. Again, you will require your email address. Your password. Then you go to your license. Now this screen shows you user management. Now you want to, and this company delegation screen will come only in the auditor license. Those company, private traders या जो भी है industry है, उनके पास multi user license रहेगा, फिर भी they will not be able to have this screen because this is specifically designed for the auditors. Tally has given that leverage to chartered accountants. So now let's go to user management. We have already given this much license authority to our sub staff. So today let's take one more email address to show you how it will actually work. So I'll give one more license. To some of my articles or junior or a colleague for that matter. After once I give this, what will happen? That person will receive an email from the Tally that you have been given access to the Tally data. So after this, once we have given the authority, now which company work you want to assign to that person, that will come into play. So for example, nowadays what is happening, we are using AnyDesk. So AnyDesk से क्या होता है कि आपका स्क्रीन ब्लॉक हो जाता है और एक एट अ गिवन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एक ही पर्सन काम कर सकता है. जबकि आप ये एक वन टाइम प्रोसेस करेंगे, लाइसेंस दे देंगे, एक्सेस दे देंगे, उसके बाद क्या होगा कि आपके 4-5 जितने भी आर्टिकल्स है वो अलग अलग लोकेशन पे आपका कंप्यूटर में, मतलब आपके लैपटॉप के अंदर जो डेटा है उनको एक्सेस कर पाएंगे with the authority which you transfer to them. The basic criteria is that it is a security driven. Unless you authorize someone, nobody can enter into your data. This is how it should be. I'm just copying the path and Control Alt V से मैंने paste किया. So suppose के we want to delegate for this the small company only I take. Acha, how one can delegate? Most of the people I have seen, they don't have the security controls into place. Unless you get name of user and password, that all feature which I am training you will not work. So how that has to be activated, that also will take in a second level, because as it is, you have to transfer the authority to your article clerk or your colleague, whosoever partner working from home on some daily data. And mark my word, it is not only accounting point of view. We are going to take in the later part of the webinar how you can do audit of the data of the client also. First of all, first हम license कैसे हमारे पास होना चाहिए उस पे काम कर रहे हैं. Now you go to the company information, then there is a security control, then there is a users and password. Now I have to give this license. I'm activating dodia.prakash@gmail.com. Then allow browser access, yes, allow remote access, yes, allow TDL file, yes, and then end of list. Okay. Now I am going to say my article clerk machine using AnyDesk, because first time I am going to do this exercise. Later on I don't need to do that. अच्छा, AnyDesk में भी आप पासवर्ड डाल सकते हो. So if someone is not there to authorize, you can access unattended access उसको बोलते हैं. Because every time connection, because of say you can say what you call connectivity issues chala jayega, the person will be stranded to sit and keep doing that work. Now let's go to email address of Dodia Prakash, whether he received any link. So creation of your tally.net id, tally.net account किसने दिया है? तो मेरा VVDN कोका ने उनको ऑथराइज किया है. और यहाँ पे एक पासवर्ड आता है, इनिशियल पासवर्ड विल बी गिवन बाय टैली. ओके, so now in this machine, this is Prakash machine. Okay, here we start tally. Understand that this is your article or your junior's top where you are going to work. Now password will be first time password we will copy. We will paste Control Alt V. Then it will prompt you for the change of password. So again you paste this and then put the password of your choice, which you need to remember. If you forget, you can use F5 button to reset the password anytime if you forget. Now this will be the screen list of remote companies online and offline. Now we go back to our machine, our Tally. Types of security में you have to check tally.net user को आपने क्या क्या authority दी है. So I want to give the owner right. मैंने space bar press किया. Now I will authorize as the owner so that person can enter. Also I have to make allow company to connect. Yes. So it will allow the company to connect. Then I am pressing Control A to save the screen. Okay. After that, I have to also go into F11 features, TSS features. That is, I have to allow here connect to tally.net services. If this is no, even if I connect the company, the other party will not able to see the company. So connect to tally.net services should be kept, yes, and then Control A. So now I have done the basic formalities of giving access to the email address dodia.prakash@gmail.com. Now I will do F4 connect.
Madam, before you go ahead, if you can quickly, very quickly revise all these steps so that people can follow.
I'll do.
Because
Don't
we
worry.
followed while step by step that you were doing, but if you can just summarize quickly, so we'll know that.
Okay. First of all, we had surrendered the license without having anything at our place. So what we did was we went through login as the remote user. Here I put that password and surrendered that license. You know, so एक license मैंने surrender किया क्योंकि मेरे मशीन में अभी दोनों जगह लाइसेंस अवेलेबल थे इसके लिए. आपके पास तो लाइसेंस है ही नहीं, आप घर पे हो अभी लैपटॉप में, तो आपको तो खाली ईमेल एड्रेस ही याद रखना है फॉर एग्जाम्पल. और मैंने बार बार बोला है कि F5 रीसेट पासवर्ड पब्लिक जो भी हो गए तो वो लोग बोलेंगे हमें तो कुछ याद नहीं है, हमने कभी लाइसेंस को यूज ही नहीं किया है, हमने हमेशा नीचे देखा था कि ईमेल आईडी अकाउंट आईडी में ईमेल एड्रेस दिखता है, बट उसका पर्पस क्या है, उसका यूटिलिटी क्या, nobody has applied because everybody was going to office and server was giving the license access and you were using it. Now today's scenario, when I don't have a license in my PC, how I will work? So that's why we have to just put that official email address which is lying at office, that you will surrender. So it prompted me that license is active in some other machine, do you want to surrender and activate here? Then I activated here in my laptop. So that then it prompted me this is auditor version over here. Okay, now in my auditor version I went into one company, that is I copied the path, I came here and I have just given the Alt F3 company information, security, control center में के पहले हमने उनको access दिया था, if you recollect, कि मैंने license add किया, and then once I added the license, that person received an email that creation of your tally.net ID for the tally.net account. Are we through, Arpit? Now फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैंने पहले अपने पास लाइसेंस लिया मेरे लैपटॉप में, उसके बाद पर्टिकुलर कंपनी ऑन करके कंट्रोल सेंटर में जाके मैं सॉरी कंपनी ऑन नहीं किया, सिर्फ कंट्रोल सेंटर में जाके मैंने एक मेरे बंदे को एक्सेस दिया. सो tally.net ID मैंने dodia.prakash को एक्टिवेट किया बिकॉज देयर वर 5 अदर लाइसेंसेस वर एक्टिव. हाँ, एंड दिस पासवर्ड इज कमिंग इन योर ईमेल व्हिच इज ऑलवेज tally makes you to change, because क्या होता है ये बाद में किसी के और के पास भी एक्सेस को कर लेगा, तो उससे बेटर है कि आप खुद ही नया पासवर्ड डाल दो. सो everything is in a secured environment. That is what we want to convey the message. Only you have to keep control on your passwords. So after getting that, we have gone to one particular company where we are authorized. We went to security control. उसमें यूजर्स एंड पासवर्ड में हमने tally.net यूजर, ये अथॉरिटी मतलब अगर अभी आज बॉस अपने घर पे बैठे हैं, उनको क्या करना पड़ेगा, जो बच्चे लोग आज सीख रहे हैं, तो नाउ दे नो द प्रोसेस. सो the boss principal has to give access to their laptop through AnyDesk. That person from sitting at his home first give access. समझो उनके पास 10 कंपनी का डेटा या 15 कंपनी का डेटा है, हर कंपनी में जाके उनको ये अथॉरिटी पास ऑन करनी पड़ेगी अंडर सिक्योरिटी लेवल थ्रू tally.net यूजर. दूसरा बाद में हम जब ऑडिटर का अभी साथ साथ में ही ले लेते हैं कि समझो आप किसी और ऑडिटर को अपॉइंट करते हो, सो योर कंपनी इज ऑडिटर इन थर्ड कंपनी, सो उनका जो लाइसेंस रहता है ऑडिटर लाइसेंस, हमारे जो प्रिंसिपल है दैट इज ऑलवेज हैविंग ऑडिटर वर्जन। तो आप tally.net ऑडिटर का ऐसे ऑथोराइज कर सकते हो रिमोट एक्सेस। जब ये एक्सेस मिलता है तभी आप बैकएंड से जाके उनके डेटा ऑडिट कर सकते हैं। फिर यहाँ पे अथॉरिटी लेने के बाद मुझे टाइप्स ऑफ सिक्योरिटी पे देना पड़ेगा, देखना पड़ेगा कि कितना एक्सेस है। तो हम जाके tally.net यूजर में जब देखा तो हमें पता चला इट वाज जस्ट डेटा एंट्री लेवल, बट नाउ आई वांट ओनर लेवल के वो रिपोर्ट देख भी सके, चेक भी कर सके, एडिट भी कर सके। और फिर मैंने यहाँ पे उनको कंपनी कनेक्ट करने का प्रोसेस मतलब यस किया। सिमिलरली अगर मैंने अभी जस्ट ऑडिटर को भी एक्सेस दिया है तो यहाँ पे अलाउ कंपनी टू कनेक्ट, यस, कंट्रोल ए, और कंट्रोल ए करके मैं वो पर्टिकुलर स्क्रीन को सेव कर रही हूँ। अगर आप एस्केप करोगे तो जो भी आप ऑथराइजेशन दे रहे हैं वो सेव नहीं होगा। आफ्टर दैट वी वेंट थ्रू कि हमने यहाँ पे जाके उसको कनेक्शन दिया। वी आर गोइंग थ्रू AnyDesk टू सम अदर मशीन। सम अदर मशीन में हम लॉग इन एज अ रिमोट यूजर करना चाहते हैं। ये अभी जो हमारे आर्टिकल्स को हमने एक्सेस दिया है वो लॉगिन करेंगे अपने ईमेल से। अब उनको देखो ये कंपनी ऑनलाइन दिखेंगी। आर वी गेटिंग?
So this is
जब ये कंपनी
the, so
ऑनलाइन,
this is the, madam, so this is the login of Prakash Dudia, right? Your article training.
yes my article who is
Now
sitting at his,
yes. So now he is using AnyDesk to log in through your system.
he is not using AnyDesk to show you I am using AnyDesk right now.
हाँ, मतलब he will
be
do it
using
now.
his own laptop. No, he will
Okay.
be doing in his laptop only. मैं आपको
Right.
दो स्क्रीन दिखा रही हूँ कि एक आर्टिकल की स्क्रीन है और एक मेरी स्क्रीन
अच्छा।
है, और राइट नाउ
Okay,
मुझे
okay.
अपने आर्टिकल की स्क्रीन दिखाने के लिए मैं अपना AnyDesk यूज कर रही हूँ।
So
आप
now
समझ
you are
लीजिए,
showing what an article trainee would do once we have given him the authority to
हाँ,
start working on Tally, and we have delegated the work
yes,
through Tally, right? Perfect.
yes,
Great.
yes, yes. हाँ, तो वो जब क्या होगा, एवरीडे मॉर्निंग प्रोसेस क्या होगा कि क्या बोलते हैं आपको, प्रिंसिपल हैज टू स्विच ऑन द टैली। लाइक मैंने मेरा टैली चालू किया, फिर मैंने ये कंपनी जिसमें वो बंदा काम करना चाहता है उसको चालू किया और उसका कनेक्शन देना पड़ेगा। हाउ कनेक्शन? यहाँ पे
Right.
F4 बटन रहता है ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ द टैली, देयर इज अ F4 बटन। सो नाउ आई हैव गिवन कनेक्शन। आप ना स्क्रीन को समझो, ये मेरा स्क्रीन, ये प्रिंसिपल का स्क्रीन है। नाउ आई गो टू आर्टिकल स्क्रीन। आर्टिकल की स्क्रीन अलग है, देखो यहाँ पे रिमोट यूजर डिटेल है, वो लॉग्ड इन एज अ दोड़िया प्रकाश है। वो टाइमिंग भी है, कब कब मतलब आपके पास ट्रेल भी रहेगा, वो कितने टाइम काम कर रहे हैं बैठ के। बेसिकली प्रिंसिपल मॉनिटर करते हैं, वो जो उनकी आदत रहती है। कमिंग बैक टू सब्जेक्ट, लेट्स कम बैक। सो नाउ सी द होल स्क्रीन इज एज गुड एज ही इज हैविंग टैली विथ हिम, राइट? सो माय AnyDesk इज नॉट ब्लॉक्ड, अंडरस्टैंड? अभी मैंने प्रकाश को दिया, वैसे मैं वंदना को दूंगी, वैसे मैं अमीषा को दूंगी, भारती को दूंगी, नेहा को दूंगी, 5 लोगों को दूंगी। वो अलग अलग अपने लैपटॉप से सेम कंपनी में जा सकते। एट गिवन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम विद दिस लॉगिन आई कैन एंटर इट इन वन कंपनी ओनली। आप समझ रहे हो ना? मैंने दोड़िया प्रकाश का लॉगिन लिया है।
Please, madam, go ahead.
हाँ, एट अ वन टाइम वन। अभी हम एक खाली सैंपल एंट्री करके दिखा देते हैं कि हाउ इट विल लुक लाइक। तो सबसे पहले DSS के टोटल 1029 एंट्रीज आर देयर इन द कंपनी। सो लेट्स पास वन एंट्री। डिस्प्ले अकाउंट से कैश बुक पे जाके आप ऐसे ही एंट्री कर दो कुछ भी पेमेंट की। आर्टिकल अपने घर से एंट्री कर रहा है, अंडरस्टैंड? आई एम अगेन एंड अगेन रिपीटिंग। बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा में मैंने डाला 5000 ऑन द लास्ट डे। So this is articles. Now DSS will be 1030. DSS 1030. Now I bring you back to my screen. ये देखो प्रकाश कनेक्शन दिया हुआ था। अब मैं जाके डिस्प्ले स्टेटमेंट स्टेटिस्टिक्स देखूंगी 1030. Live data, he is sitting at home doing in the server machine, lying at server or data lying in principal laptop. So are we through? Any
Right.
query? Okay. So this was the first feature I wanted them to understand about. हमने लाइसेंस कैसे हमारे लैपटॉप में एक्टिवेट किया, फिर हमने कंट्रोल सेंटर में जाके हमारे आर्टिकल्स को अथॉरिटी दी। उनको जो अथॉरिटी दी वो उनके जीमेल पे आ जाएगा। मतलब जीमेल याहू जो भी मेल रहेगा, सी इट इज नॉट के जीमेल पे ही देना है, सो एनी मेल कैन बी वैलिड ईमेल टू रिसीव द लाइसेंस. ओके, there is no restrictions on that. Okay, so this is how now we will say we'll come to सब लोग बोलेंगे डेटा तो है ही नहीं, लेकिन अभी क्या करेंगे, डेटा इज लाइंग एट सर्वर. So we have to find out some way out कि some of small medium enterprises are doing accounting for or income tax return for small individuals जिनका थोड़ा बहुत डेटा मेल से आता है, बैंक रिकंसिलेशन करना है, बैंक की एंट्रीज आ जाएगी. तो नाउअडेज एवरीबॉडी इज टेक्निकली साउंड. तो अगर आपको ईमेल के थ्रू बैंक स्टेटमेंट आ जाता है तो आप उसको आपके टैली के अंदर कैसे ले सकते हो, दैट इज व्हाट आई वांट टू शो यू. बिकॉज फॉर द अदर अप टू फेब्रुअरी हमने जब तक काम किया लोगों का, तो डेटा अगर जिप फाइल आती थी टैली की तो वो भी आपके पास आई होगी ईमेल में. कुछ भी नहीं आया जिसका अभी पूरे साल का हमको अकाउंट्स लिखना है. देयर आर द डिफरेंट सिनेरियोस. use the knowledge however wherever you want to use it. Okay, so let's understand how I can authorize auto bank reconciliation. I'll go to say accounts information, ledger, alter. You will be having a bank account. You have to go here and enable auto bank reconciliation. Once enable, it will ask me कि आप कहाँ पे पाथ है, कहाँ पे आप बैंक के स्टेटमेंट जो डाउनलोड करेंगे. वो जरूरी नहीं है, जस्ट बिकॉज आई एम गेटिंग दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी आई एम शेयरिंग दिस. आपको अभी लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, मैंने खाली एक्टिवेट कैसे करना है. अनलेस यू एक्टिवेट बैंक रिकंसिलिएशन फीचर विल नॉट वर्क. सो आई एक्टिवेटेड दिस. देन यू गो टू योर बैंक एंड यू विल डाउनलोड द स्टेटमेंट. We believe that you are downloading the statement from the bank, and then an Excel file is coming to you, which you can then put into import into your system of Tally, and then you start. मतलब आपको डेट आ जाएगी, अमाउंट आ जाएगा, सब कुछ आ जाएगा, खाली कहाँ डेबिट करना है वो पोर्शन ही आपका बाकी रहेगा. So this is से 11 मार्च से 28 मार्च का डाउनलोड करके रखा हुआ है. अभी ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे तो एंट्री हो चुकी है, राइट? अगर यहाँ पे एंट्री नहीं हुई होती तो मैं इंपोर्ट कर सकती थी, बट आई विल जस्ट शो यू द प्रोसेस हाउ इट वर्क्स. सो F5 reconcile, then you go to bank statement, then you have to define the path. मतलब you have to select the path where the statement have been downloaded by you. We are trying to import the data, bank statement. This is what actual process everybody will be doing. Client आपको mail करेगा या आप खुद download करेंगे, जो भी है bank statement. What I'm trying to make you understand, this is a part and parcel of the process, how it will be downloaded from the system. Then you will be asking them to mail you. Then once it is done, I'm just trying to see कि प्रकाश में वो problem है कि हर जगह पे problem है. That's why I've opened a new company, downloaded the new statement just to find out कि what. Oh, password is very sensitive. Once you forget the password, data will be not working for you. Okay, I use my article. Change the period 1/4/19 to 31st March. DSC, Bank of Baroda. Hope if it functions here properly. So this is how it shows you के कौन सा statement कहाँ पर है. Also it shows you कि it is imported, yes or no. So Manisha Dodia say let's try this. We will import. तो full year का आपका जो client का data है वो आएगा आपके पास. That you will import. And then the data comes to your tally. Once it comes in your tally, you can start doing the entry. What it will come as a unreconciled item. This is what is the data right now. Look, you can see on the screen, but that will come as a unreconciled data. I'm just trying to figure out what else I can show you live. I never figured out or encountered कि ऐसा कुछ भी हो सकता है live दिखाने के टाइम पे कि वो import सही ढंग से नहीं करेगा. What can be the best way? So once I'll just tell you verbally कि once it comes, you can just do the data entry with pressing Control C on that particular voucher, and it will allow you to do the data entry. Just आपको कहाँ पे debit करना है वो लिखना है. After this, let's now move on to audit feature, because first of all that company should give you the access to work as an auditor. So now let's close this company. Remote user logout. I will log in as a remote user, but with the auditor license. If you recollect, we had given our own. One second. I'm authorizing VVD and COCA to do the audit. Now here also, suppose Dodia.Prakash can also be the auditor because you have already given license access to the Dodia.Prakash. So both can be your license 1 plus 10 articles, 11 लोगों को same access मिलेगा as a auditor. F for connect करेंगे button, so the data will be available for the other person to see. Now Prishina Electricals is also available. Prakash is also connected. Prishina is also connected. मैंने बोला था CA टाइप करना है, ऑडिट कंप्लायंस C and then A, that is audit analysis. Drive and bandwidth is the issue. कितना आवाज The best part is that there is now no company connected. Let's try once again. I'm extremely sorry that this has happened because some of the time your server should be strong enough to handle this.
So, madam, if something like this happens, what can we do in the meantime? I mean, can we? So, can we explore the other
No,
features of Tally? Maybe the other ones that we are talking about.
uh,
While this takes its own time, we can continue in data analysis through Tally,
yes,
right?
yes.
Yes.
That's what I'm trying to do now. Okay, instead of that, at least let them understand the features.
The auditing part, if we could do through Tally, and how can we do a data mining
Ha,
effectively?
so, so first of all, there will be audit documentation you will be taking care. We start with the audit program. How I went there. See, this was the screen of Tallies. Then I pressed audit and compliance. Then I went to audit documentation. First of all, you will start with your audit program. So you will have auditor details into place. Whatever firm name is there, your audit team you will define, Mr. A, Mr. B, and C. Okay. Then you put the full address of the company, every status, it is a proprietor or whatever. After that, you will define okay, what your articles will be required to do. First of all, you want them to do, say, bank vouching. So how many days it will, estimated time is, say, 1 day. Actual बाद में जब भी उनका हो जाएगा, they will punch in. You define that I want 75%, I want A to do this work. After that, you can have new feature also. Okay, I want to check GSTR to a reconciliation. He wants to check. So you can define the new area of audit also and say it will take say 2 days time. Path may extent of verification will be 100% and he will be done by B. So this is how first you will have an audit program into place. Are we getting? Okay. After that, there is a screen of audit analysis. When you go to audit analysis, सबसे पहले verification of chart of accounts. So if you have the, here you can see audit period is say 18-19. Now it will be 19-20 in the current scenario. Previous year period will be here. Now here, if it is a continuous company, data will be same. But if it is not a same company, for example, मतलब split company है, last year आपके वहाँ audit करने को आया था, तो आपका वो डेटा जहाँ पे आपने सेव किया है, लॉक किया है कि the audited version can be lying in 17-18 folder, that you need to copy and bring it here, so that when you once you here, that is compare company, you can define the alternate path where last year you have finalized the data which is lying in that path. Once you put that and bring that company here, it will do compare company for you and it will give you the uh, differences last year or current year में क्या difference है, that it will bring out with anything which is in a red mark will be the area of concern. जैसे ही हम किसी भी कंपनी का ऑडिट स्टार्ट करते हैं तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लास्ट ईयर के बैलेंस शीट के साथ करंट ईयर की ओपनिंग बैलेंस मैच करते हैं. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ बैलेंसेस व्हिच इज it's just a tip of button you can do. So in a one go, once you load the data, continuous company में तो वो continuous here, so then you need to export in Excel and then cross check, because then there is no clarity. Someone has done any corrections in the previous year, you will not be able to see if the ongoing company is there. If there is a split company, it becomes easier for you to check the balances using this feature. Then I go to, you will require, you want to know that there are certain master configuration you must do. Something like in our tax audit report, we require to give micro, small and medium enterprises details. उस पे जो interest है वो disallow होता है. So we'll ask the client to define कि out of this list of parties, which are your micro, small and medium enterprise party. For example, say this is my micro. So I will press space bar on that highlighted and then I have to press F5 to update when whatever it is following, medium, micro, small, that enterprise you will select and then the registration number you will put there. So this is how you can educate your client to do this exercise in their Tally, so that there will be, if there is a transaction through this with this client, there will be a report available at one go. There is something called periodic payments and receipt. What is help in audit analysis? कि समझो आपका जो भी पैटर्न है, लाइक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पेमेंट है, मोबाइल बिल पेमेंट है, ऑफिस रेंट पेमेंट है, सैलरीज है, which are periodic, every month it is recurring. So recurring nature expenses you need to define first here. So once you define that, that will make उसमें अगर 12 से ज्यादा ट्रांजैक्शन है, अगर जितना भी ट्रांजैक्शन होना चाहिए उससे ज्यादा है, so you will, it becomes an analysis point of view कि immediately you can figure out. Here also the same process, you define whatever is there and update whichever is your, but say electricity charges bill is also coming every month, so all that I define, space bar करके मैंने F5 के update किया. So then that transaction, then related party, this is also required, one of the important information which we have to give in our 3CD report, expenses done with the related party. So I don't know, but I have to ask my client that who are your relatives to whom we are dealing with. So please mark that for me. So for me it becomes easier while preparing the 3CD report. So if we are dealing with the client whose proprietor is brother or someone in the relative, मैंने space bar select किया, related party yes किया, and brother is a proprietor. So if there is a transaction with that party, it will throw you the report. And then very important is that when we do is audit, we definitely have a samples. We will not do 100% audit with the size of the company. If it is a very small, you can do 100%, but there are separate kind of sampling methods are available, defined inbuilt, defined by Tally. Suppose I want to do sales audit, I can have all vouchers audit, I can have predefined amount range, say how amount range, I want to check only with more than 50,000 or 5 lakh or whatever, so that you can define. So it will sample carve out the voucher for you which you need to audit. You can have, this is how sample will be derived. There is even numbered voucher, odd number voucher, specific period, specific voucher. आप चाहते हो कि first 2 months का check करो, last 2 months का check करो, so all that can be defined. Like whatever amount range we had given, तो अभी देखो ये sales amount range के सामने वहां पे 46 voucher sample हुए, 50,000 से ज्यादा का मैंने range दिया था. So in each month, these are the vouchers which I will be required to check. The sample have been, ये राइट हैंड टॉगल की है, यहाँ से वो जंप करके यहाँ पे गया. And how then I will be viewing voucher? When I press the enter, it will simply ask me audit, external clarification or internal observation. But I have not really seen the voucher. अब अगर मैंने देखा ही नहीं तो मैं ऐसे audit कैसे करूंगी? So how to see the voucher? If you can see, यहाँ पर display voucher है, alter voucher है. So selected voucher, you can see this. And if any query, you can raise your query or you can simply say audit because I am okay with this. So when I'm okay with this, some of the vouchers which I've checked, so at one go I can press audit and audited. Okay, checked. So it will come 3 voucher at one go. Okay. Now this is particular voucher I am not happy. I want कि इसमें authorization issue is there कि इस कंपनी के साथ हम इससे ज्यादा नहीं दे सकते. तो उनकी कंपनी में समझो ये वृषांक से मुझे ये आंसर चाहिए. So I can send this query to that person, individual company will. Now you will ask me कि हमने यहाँ से query raise किया, सामने वाली कंपनी को क्या मालूम होगा कि I am asking an answer from them. So there is a module available for the entrepreneurs. So the industry people will have to go display statement of accounts, and then there is a audit and compliance information where they will go, and there will be something called internal clarification, what is asked by us from them. This is what is their screen will be. So एक आर्टिकल ने कुछ ऑडिट किया और उनको क्वेरी भेजी, ये उनको कैसे दिखेगा वो मैंने आपको दिखाया. They will be able to see that this query has been raised by them कि भाई authorization issue है. So then they will be clarifying it. Mailing authority letter or whatever, they will be mailing me and they will be supplying the proper answer to me. So it will go away from this screen, and when I come back to my screen, external clarification was sought and now it is clarified. This is called dashboard of audit. 46 सैंपल थे, 3 ऑडिट हो गए, बाद में एक क्लैरिफाई हो गया. अब वो भी इश्यू होता है कि हमने ऑडिट कर दिया, वो जाके कुछ उसमें ऑल्टरेशन करते हैं तो हमको कैसे पता चलेगा, राइट? That is always a concern. After I finish the audit and that person goes and do something, so how I will be coming to know? So let's do some editing in the voucher which has already been edited. क्या एडिट किया है वो नहीं समझेगा, लेकिन उसमें एडिट किसी ने कुछ चेंजेस किया है ना, वो आपको समझेगा. So basically this is the audit module available remotely. आप लोग अभी जिनका डेटा अवेलेबल है, क्वार्टरली रिव्यू सब जो भी करना है, you can use this feature of the tally. We were trying to edit this. कंट्रोल एंटर करेंगे तो ही हम वाउचर के अंदर जा सकते हैं. Just trying to edit this. So what happened? It will get out of the screen and it will go to altered screen. Can you see this dashboard? मेरे 3 वाउचर थे, उसमें से 2 ही दिखा रहे हैं और एक ऑल्टर्ड में चला गया. सो एज ऑडिटर आई हैव अ कंट्रोल कि मैंने एक बार ऑडिट कर लिया और बाद में कोई ऑल्टरेशन करता है तो एटलीस्ट आई विल बी एबल टू गेट इट कॉल फॉर द आंसर. नाउ अर्पित हैज ऑलरेडी आस्क्ड मी कि मैडम एनालिटिकल प्रोसीजर बताइए. तो हमें लास्ट ईयर साल की उनकी जो ट्रेडिंग हुई है या प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी है उसका कंपैरेटिव एनालिसिस. सो दिस इज व्हाइल यू आर डूइंग क्वार्टरली इंटरनल ऑडिट आल्सो या मंथ ऑन मंथ इंटरनल ऑडिट, यू कैन यूज दिस फीचर ऑफ टैली where you go for a comparison, where you will compare sales account along with your say expenses in direct group. You can have n numbers of computation. This is current period, say 18-19 compared with 17-18. You can have one quarter to another quarter. So when this is dodging, dodging means it is allowing you to enter the data. I can have 30th June 18 also. So last quarter का ही मुझे देखना है कि comparative analysis क्या था, उस time पे क्या था. So it gives me immediate an analysis. Then there is a comparison. Something is in red, needs your attention. You need to check how they are accounting, or there is a need to get answer or audit query. This will be your audit queries raised. यहाँ पर F5 function F5 फंक्शन F5. सबसे पहले जब आप ऑडिट स्टार्ट करते हो आपको F11 में जाके ऑडिट में एनेबल वर्किंग पेपर्स करना है. नहीं तो क्योंकि हमने इतनी सारी एक्सरसाइज की तो हमने जो ऑडिट किया है टेल कहाँ पे भेजना. We have to enable the audit working papers. So once that is working papers are available, तो हमारे बच्चे लोग जितना भी ऑडिट करेंगे that trail we will be having. और उन्होंने जो क्वेरी रेज की, जो आंसर मिला वो सब वहां पे मिलेगा. आर वी थ्रू विद दिस? नाउ हाउ वी हैव डन the comparative analysis, which will give you a fair idea that needs your attention. These are the expenses which there is a huge variance needs your probing into. And I told that filters are available. Verification of what is this account squared off during the year. So this will also give you an insight that throughout the year, these are the accounts which were just squared off during the year. Are they forming part? See, अभी हम लोग जब टैली देखते हैं तो अनसिक्योर्ड लोन में अगर ओपन किया और स्क्वेड ऑफ हुआ है तो ही वो उधर अपना 3CD रिपोर्ट में जाएगा, बट उसने डेटर्स में कर दिया है, तो हाउ विल यू फाइंड आउट? So at least you know that these are the clients which are there, which is squared off during the year, and now which are the groups they are following into, that you need to check. And I just show you working audit papers. अगर कुछ हमने लिखा रहेगा तो वो यहाँ पे डिस्क्लोज होगा जब आप ऑडिट करेंगे, ऑडिट वर्किंग पेपर स्टार्ट करेंगे. Not used during the year, only used during the current year. There is only balances, no transactions. So these are the inbuilt filters given by Tally, which will give you an insight कि how the company's data is moving around. जैसे हम एक्सेल में एक्सपोर्ट करने के बाद जब हम लेते हैं उनका पाइवर्ट्स और यहाँ पे इनबिल्ट टैली इज गिविंग यू सर्टेन फीचर्स व्हिच वी कैन टेक कॉग्निजेंस व्हाइल डूइंग द ऑडिट. सिमिलरली अगर स्टॉक है तो स्टॉक में भी सेम फीचर इज अवेलेबल टू अस. ये जो मैंने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और सैलरी का जो डिफाइन किया था वो पीरियडिक पेमेंट्स का आपको इंफॉर्मेशन दिख रहा है. सो उसमें अगर जरूरत से ज्यादा ट्रांजैक्शंस है तो दैट आल्सो विल रिक्वायर योर अटेंशन. एंड हमने अभी ये जस्ट क्वार्टरली रिव्यू लिया था. देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड RSF. दिस इज आल्सो वेरी गुड फीचर ऑफ ऑडिट अवेलेबल. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय RSF? A transaction happening in one ledger, the first transaction and the second highest transaction. तो जितना ये क्वोशंट ज्यादा है, it needs you to know कि why there is a variance. मतलब इतना क्या है वो उस अकाउंट के अंदर कि this much this is just an idea to understand कि उस कंपनी के साथ क्या डील हो रही है और कैसे ट्रांजैक्शंस हो रही है. So from the bigger larger pool of data, it will carve out certain data which will require your attention. There is not necessity or something wrong, but which are the samples which I will require my attention to be giving, वो easily मुझे पता चलता है जब हम ये फीचर्स को RSF को यूज करते हैं. यहाँ पे इंटरबैंक ट्रांजैक्शंस भी है, कैश विड्रॉल्स, फिक्स एसेट एनालिसिस इज आल्सो अवेलेबल. कंपनी इस एक्ट में कितने दिन यूज किया है, तो यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ डेज आल्सो यू कैन सी नंबर ऑफ डेज अगर परचेज किया है ड्यूरिंग द ईयर, तो उस सब का टैली खुद कैलकुलेट करके आपको देते हैं. तो वन ऑफ द रिपोर्ट इज ऑलरेडी रेडीली अवेलेबल विथ यू के हाउ मच additions during the year have been happened and how many days. See, 118 days the particular machine has been put to use. Are we getting? Transaction on holiday, this is also important feature कि आप पहले से डिफाइन कर लेते हैं. अगर फैक्ट्री है तो जहाँ पे फ्राइडे को ही क्लोज होता है, सो वीकली ऑफ के दिन ट्रांजैक्शन होता है, तो यू नीड योर अटेंशन. यू कैन for questions, I mean explanatory note, is there was a necessity and then you worked on a holiday. Highest and lowest value transactions, these all filters available wherever certain what I can say कि these are the where transactions were very high, very low, so that gives you then एक आइडिया आ जाता है, फेयर आइडिया आ जाता है. पेंडिंग एडवांसेस दैट नीड योर अटेंशन. एक्सटर्नल क्लैरिफिकेशन भी आप ले सकते हो, थर्ड पार्टी कंफर्मेशन दैट यू कैन कॉल फॉर. सो सामने वाले के पास अगर टैली रहेगा तो डायरेक्टली आपको मिल सकता है. यहाँ पे शो लेजिए, कोई ट्रांजैक्शन ही नहीं है ड्यूरिंग द ईयर, सो देयर इज नो पॉइंट. बट वेयर यू वांट एक्सटर्नल कंफर्मेशन, you can get it done from you. So I hope I could have shown you that auto bank reconciliation I would have been more happy. Let's see, next time we will be more vigilant, and from my side, any queries are there, Arpit, we will happy to answer the queries.
Right. Thank you, madam. I think a phenomenal and a very, very cool, if I would say, a session, because there's so many hidden features of Tally that we got to know, and I'm sure all the participants would have enjoyed it well. All the participants, if you have any questions, you can please write to us right now. We are compiling those questions and we'll post it to the speaker very soon. Meanwhile, I also recognize the presence of Vikasa team members. Dania is there, Vedika, the secretary, is there, and some more people have also joined us. I think they have put in a lot of efforts and a lot of hard work in arranging the logistics of this. So every session that we do requires a lot of man hours, and in this lockdown period, probably we are doing something really constructive. So thank you, Vikasa, who have been really supportive in this entire function. Mishra ji, do we have any questions that we've received? Okay, so these are the questions, madam, that we have received from various people. We have 11 questions. So let me read out to them and then you can answer. First question is, if there is an auditor version, multi-user license in Office system, but the data file is available on a pen drive, can the license be used remotely so that the tally entries could be made on the data available on pen drive? If yes, how? This is a very good question, I think, very practical, if you can throw some light.
Yes, but see, the bottom line was that कि आपके पास पोर्टेबल हार्ड डिस्क है या पेन ड्राइव है, प्रॉब्लम तो लाइसेंस है कि नहीं है. डेटा अगर आपके पास है तो आप कहीं से भी यूज कर ही सकते हैं ना उसको. जैसे अभी एनी डेस्क से मैंने वहां एक्सेस ले लिया, या आपके पास आपके लैपटॉप में वो डेटा है, फिर आप अपने स्टाफ को एक्सेस दे दिया, तो वो कहीं से भी लॉग इन करके कर सकता है. बट कनेक्शन हैज टू बी ऑन फ्रॉम वन मशीन एटलीस्ट समवेयर. आर यू गेटिंग मी? और आप आपके पेन ड्राइव को अटैच किया लैपटॉप के साथ, और उधर वही उसी ड्राइव में जाके आप काम करना है तो कर सकते हैं. दैट्स व्हाट आई ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि दिस बेसिकली मैंने पेन ड्राइव लगा के रखा है, मेरे पास लैपटॉप में लाइसेंस है, आई कैन वर्क ऑन दैट एंड डेटा विल बी स्टोर्ड इन पेन ड्राइव अगेन. Am I able to clarify?
I think little bit.
Because
Whoever
see,
has raised this question, madam, can you also put your number? So on your PPT, on the last slide, if you can just type your email ID and number, so these people who have unsolved queries, they can also reach out to you. I'll read the second question in the meantime. You please prepare that slide so that we can display and everyone can take note of your number and email ID. If article training will change the data, is it that the original data will also change?
of course.
Oh,
It
so
will
that is a
change,
risk.
no?
That is a risk, but it can always be, there'll be a trail of it.
हाँ,
So we can check this out.
हाँ, there will be. हाँ, मतलब क्या ओरिजिनल था वो तो नहीं समझेगा. अगर वो चाहिए तो देयर इज सम शॉपर्स अवेलेबल. ऑडिट ट्रेल करके एक टीडीएल अवेलेबल है, वो कुछ 300 रुपए में मिलती है फॉर सिंगल यूजर. मल्टी यूजर के लिए 1080 रुपीज में ऑडिट ट्रेल मॉड्यूल मिलता है, वो 1 साल के लिए चलता है. तो उसमें कभी डेटा तब क्या था, फिर किसने चेंज किया, वो सब भी आपको देखने को मिल सकता है. देयर इज समथिंग एडिशनल शॉपर्स अवेलेबल.
Right. Next
Way
question.
out.
One second. Mishra ji. Okay. Is it mandatory to have Tally installed on article machine at home, or can Tally be downloaded as well to work from home? I think we can download and use this.
हाँ, we showed this process ना कि उनके पास लाइसेंस होने की जरूरत नहीं है. They have to just download and tellysolutions.com पे जाके आप डाउनलोड कर लीजिए, और बाद में लॉग इन एज अ रिमोट यूजर उन्होंने कंट्रोल सेंटर से एक्सेस देना है उनको.
Right. So that is very well, that can be done. So need not have a Tally installed. We can use the 30-day trial version also. We need to
हाँ,
always
टेली.
switch on our Tally server
हाँ,
for
वो
the functionality that you. Yes. So for that,
yes,
the
yes.
server, and therefore you mentioned the server should be shifted to the laptop of the principal who is at home, so he could
नहीं,
switch it
but
on, keep it on.
सर लाइसेंस शिफ्ट हुआ है, सर्वर शिफ्ट नहीं हुआ है, समझो आप. लाइसेंस शिफ्ट हुआ है.
Oh, okay,
डेटा
okay.
डेटा तो सर्वर के अंदर ही है ना, वो तो ऑफिस में ही
Right.
पड़ा है. There's a difference between license and data.
first time to install company on article laptop, is AnyDesk necessary? I don't think so. That
No,
is only the function that madam showed using two
हाँ
screens. So therefore AnyDesk was used. AnyDesk is not required. We had clarified that.
हाँ वो खुद डाउनलोड कर सकता है ना.
Right. Article trainee don't need to have the entity on his hard disk. Means whenever the principal will provide the access to another user, say another trainee, he will be able to use the client's entity online itself when the original data is placed in the principal hard disk. Is it right?
Yes, this is what we are trying to convey since the beginning of the webinar. Okay, the data
Perfect.
will lie in the laptop of the principal only. We are just giving an access to others to work on the data.
Right. Every time article using Tally is the AnyDesk should be active. No, that's not required.
No, not
Madam,
required.
surrender license and reactivate license can be done for other than auditor Tally license as well, or
Yeah,
only for
yeah.
auditor license
Every license,
or other
every
license. Okay. Due to slow internet, I'm not able to see the screen live, but voice is clear. So, can you speak on the process of importing the bank statement in Tally data?
हाँ, फिर से एक बार रिकैप कर लेते हैं 2 मिनट, क्योंकि वो मेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट था. Somehow it went on. एक
So
के
you can
क्लाइंट
speak and tell them, yeah.
हाँ, I'm speaking for that. Okay, what are the steps for the auto bank reconciliation? Just give me a second. Meantime, you can take up the second question.
Right, we'll take this last.
मैं last में लेती
You didn't tell where to go after enable of BRS function. You started further processing. Okay, he lost the link. If that
I know that.
BRS is not
I
happening, then how do we go? I think he would
know.
have followed later. And proprietor will have to buy Tally module? Question mark.
एक मिनट फिर से पूछो.
Will the proprietor? So a proprietor will have to buy Tally module. I mean, I think the question is, if there is a business, do I have to buy a Tally module? I don't know. What is this
नहीं
question?
सुनो, उनका जो क्वेश्चन मैं समझ पा रही हूँ. जैसे हमने बताया कि हमने ऑडिट किया, तो सामने वाले क्लाइंट को कैसे समझेगा कि ऑडिटर ने कुछ क्वेरी रेज की है. तो इनबिल्ट मॉड्यूल है डिस्प्ले स्टेटमेंट्स में कंप्लायंस एंड ऑडिट इंफॉर्मेशन. तो इंडिविजुअल प्रोप्राइटरी कंसर्न है आपका, थिंकिंग फ्रॉम द क्लाइंट्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि मेरा एक क्लाइंट है, वो ट्रेडर है, उसके पास टैली है, तो उसके पास इंडिविजुअली ठीक है, उसमें भी ऑडिट का पोर्शन विल बी अवेलेबल. ही डोंट हैव टू हैव ऑडिटर मेनू, क्योंकि ऑडिट तो वैसे भी आप करने वाले हो ना.
Right. Fine. So you can talk about the BRS, and then we can close the session for today. Madam, if you could quickly share the steps, and also share your screen so that they can get your phone number and your email ID. And if they have any other queries, they can reach out to you.
Yes, sir. So what I'll do, something called, मैंने अभी just close किया. I'll start for you.
Madam, you can just speak, no?
हाँ, मैं जैसे ही stop हो जाती हूँ, you get panic. See, I hope we all could do with the limited time available. So we can, understand the certain process. We wanted to know more about work from home. Basically, that is what we are trying to figure out, And first of all, you asked me, और मैंने बताया कि AnyDesk में भी आप पासवर्ड डाल सकते हो ताकि आप नहीं भी हो, मतलब अभी देखो सामने कोई नहीं भी है तो भी मैं I am going into that machine. Nobody is sitting next to me, nobody is authorizing me, but मुझे मालूम है कि मेरा बच्चा ही मेरा मशीन लेने वाला है, तो I have given password. So that is also feature.
So without manual intervention also you can get access, is what you're saying.
हाँ, but
I don't have to accept the incoming request.
Yes, तो यहाँ पे देखो जब AnyDesk के नीचे है set password for unattended access.
Oh, perfect. Very good.
हाँ, enable unattended access, खाली उतना ही देना है, बाकी मत देना, क्योंकि फिर तो कभी भी किधर से भी कोई घुस जाए. तो बीच में भी कभी पावर हो गया या इंटरनेट चला गया, फिर मतलब नेट चला जाता है तो डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता है AnyDesk. तो set password for unattended access, so they can, अभी my articles are working. Once सुबह मुझे खाली चालू करना रहता है, and then they log in and then they start doing the work. क्योंकि I have that facility कि मैं यहाँ पे 3-4 मशीन लेके बैठी हूँ, जिनके पास नहीं है तो उनके प्रोप्राइटर को थोड़ा एक्सरसाइज करना पड़ेगा कि उनको खुद को, बच्चे लोग को हर कंपनी को चालू करके F4 कनेक्ट बटन दबाना पड़ेगा. हाँ, कनेक्ट कैन नॉट कनेक्ट इन अ एजुकेशनल मोड. और ना मैं जब से सेशन स्टार्ट हुआ ना, आई वाज ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट. नाउ सी ये एजुकेशनल मोड हो गया, समझ में आया. मैंने लाइसेंस मेरा कंपनी का उठा के मेरे लैपटॉप में डाल दिया था. इफ यू रिकलेक्ट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द सेशन, एजुकेशनल मोड वाला किसी को राइट नहीं दे सकता है. लाइसेंस वर्जन होल्डर ही किसी को राइट दे सकता है. दैट इज द प्रीडोमिनेंट फीचर ऑफ दिस. You asked me के kindly share your email address. Can this is readable?
No, if you can just copy it on your slide, if your presentation,
Slide
if you have. No,
नहीं,
then
मैंने
that's okay.
कोई-
If you can just read out your email ID, vandana@cavandana.com, right?
हाँ,
Perfect.
9820029281.
9820029281. Okay. Thank you, madam.
That's enough. हाँ, और now coming to your auto bank reconciliation. आप जब भी टैली में जाते हो ना, यहाँ पे ऑल टच हेल्प मेनू भी अवेलेबल है. तो आप जो स्क्रीन पे रहोगे वो डायरेक्टली आपको लेके जा सकता है. जैसे कि मैं अभी यहाँ डिस्प्ले में थी, फॉर एग्जांपल अकाउंट बुक्स, कैश बुक, बैंक, enter, then FI reconcile, and then I go to help. इंपोर्ट बैंक स्टेटमेंट, वो डायरेक्ट आपको वहीं पे लेके जाएगा. टैली का ये बेस्ट फीचर है. अगर आप बंदा को रीच आउट नहीं हो सकते, फिर भी आप टैली में जो स्क्रीन पे हो वहां पे ऊपर ऑल्ट टच बटन है, इट विल डायरेक्टली टेक यू दैट पर्टिकुलर स्क्रीन ओनली. और फिर वहां पे उन्होंने सब कुछ दिया है, लाइक स्क्रीन का स्नैपशॉट, एवरीथिंग, हाउ यू कैन इंपोर्ट, हाउ यू कैन कॉन्फ़िगर. और इसके बाद भी आप कहीं पे अटकते हो तो you can be in touch with Arpit or Vandana, as the case may be. Everything is featured over there. So due to now we are running short of time, but this is the best we can show them, right?
Okay.
मैंने यहाँ तक भी बताया था कि आप reconcile unlink को वो सब देखना पड़ेगा उनको. ठीक है, हम नेक्स्ट सेशन लेके आएंगे. डोंट वरी अर्पित.
Yes. So probably someone who's asked that question may just reach out to this help desk and figure out and explore. See, the more you will explore, the more you will learn. Is the ultimate idea of every technology. But you have to do it. You have to take the risk. You have to start working on it. So thank you for giving that platform, Vandana madam, to so that we can all start exploring, start doing something.
Any questions left now? Any questions
No,
left?
I think no more questions now. We will have to close because we have a back-to-back another webinar also for members, and we have to start that and we have to set up that. I really thank the WIC chairman, C. Lalit Bajaj, C. Murtuza Kachwala, the secretary, Vishal Doshi, the vice chairman, and Anand Jakotia, the treasurer, and all the other regional council members for giving their support in organizing these webinars specifically for students. I would now request CA Vimal Agarwal, another regional council member, also the student committee chairman of WRC, to please present the vote of thanks. Over to you, Vimal Agarwal.
Thank you, Arpit. On behalf of WRC, I would like to thank CA Vandana Dodia for taking this webinar on subject usage of Tele. I hope this session will definitely help you while advanced use of Tele. I thank to RCM CA Arpit Kabra for taking lots of initiative for this webinar. I thank CA Jayesh Kala for giving each valuable insights. I also thank all of you for participating in this webinar. Thank you.
Thank you, Vimalji. A big round of applause for all the faculty team and the speakers and the Vikasa team. Also, a very big thank you to Mishra ji, who's been the backbone, Subhash, Seema, Vaibhav, and all other people who have been instrumental in getting this webinar done. And friends, congratulations to all of you. Today we had a record 480 plus attendance for this session. It's all because of all of you. I'm sure we'll receive a good feedback and will encourage us to go more and more. Thank you all, and see you tomorrow. We have a very good session tomorrow lined up. Same time, 2 to 3:30 p.m. Request you all to please come for the MCA compliances. So we have done data mining through balance sheets. We have done tally. Now the time for learning MCA compliances. So we are doing that on 13th. Sorry, not tomorrow, but on 13th. We have a next session lined up. Tomorrow's a Sunday. Although every day is a Sunday, but let's relive the spirit of Sunday and let's stay with our families. So Monday we'll see you soon for yet another exciting session and webinar on MCA compliances and the recent SPICE form that have been introduced. Thank you everyone. Have a great time. Stay safe, stay healthy, and lots of regards to all of you who are here, who are present here. Thank you. Thank you, madam.
Thank you. Bye.